Hello guys, it's boy Anomaly from Sweden, and in today's video I am going to be opening 500 recoil cases, which are the best case in CSGO. You can see that in the CSGO weapon case ROI list, which shows the best to the worst case. That's how in the last video like this I showed that the worst case was the glove case, and now you can see that the recoil case is the best case with a return on investment of 60%, actually a little bit more. What we're hoping to get from the recoil case is of course the AWP, the USP, and a pair of gloves. But the good thing about this case is that one of the pinks, the AK, is actually pretty valuable. And before the case opening starts, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skins Monkey. They're a trading site for CSGO skins, and it's just as simple as that. It's a good way to change up your loadout easily every so often to play with some new skins. And they've got a 30% deposit bonus, and if you use the link in the description or put the code Anomaly, you get another 5% for a total 35% deposit bonus. If you're making your first trade, you can also use code Anomaly and get up to $5 for free. They've also got a freebies tab for giveaways, which you can join for free. So if you want to try them out, then please use the link in the description. And thank you Skins Monkey once again for sponsoring this video. Hello gentlemen, are we ready?
Bro, I'm ready to eat, bro.
Tell me, what are you eating?
Five Guys.
Five Guys?
Yeah.
Are you eating Five Guys? He just doesn't answer. He just knows what's coming. And it's Five Guys. God, wait, just take one more bite of the burger. I bet it's gonna be good. It looks like a succulent meal.
Just bait yourself.
Holy shit, I'm laughing so much, I'm shitting. 500 recoil, surely I'm gonna get something good.
Surely.
Let it be known that I just opened the hedge mesa, so I don't think I'm gonna be that lucky.
Why not open 500 of the new case?
Because they're so expensive. And if you have not noticed, I have fallen off heavily. No, these cases I actually bought like over a month ago, and I didn't open until now because I am lazy. Hey, visions! Oh.
You missed the pink AK.
I'm well aware, thank you. Wait, say something? Okay. Sorry. I was wondering if it was you guys or the voices that I was hearing. Hey! Kiss love! This is what I... Bro, kiss love. What do you think?
What I do to your mama's gooch? Sorry.
What is the
my
gooch?
That shit came out my nose.
That's also surprisingly what the Pinoy hooker says.
I don't get the joke.
Bro, we're 20 cases in.
Who's the Pinoy hooker?
Oi! Chromatic aberration. Okay. Field tested.
Wait, what the fuck is at the top? It's holographic everywhere.
No.
Am I seeing things?
Oh, there we go. Fully nerd grandpa in your office chair. You have zero, like, what's it called? Oh. I was gonna say he has zero decoration on his walls or anything. Oh my god! Simon was not the imposter and you're flying in space. There's nothing behind you. Why are you black, Case? Well, that's why is it fully black? Why is your camera? Alex has also gone to bed now. Case is in bed. Pettersson looks like the Unabomber. POV after sex with Hayes.
Guys?
Yeah?
Pokemon just posted on Twitter.
She did? Where's her tweet?
But you know how many germs are on your
Yeah,
phone?
less than in my ass.
No, it's actually more on your phone.
What are you doing? You bulimic?
Yeah, lol, I'm believing. Did Alex have a whole bottle of whiskey?
It's Romanian moonshine.
AKA benzene! Nej men vad fan är det?
Alex, cheap.
Alex, chilla!
Oh, what? I'm retarded.
Åh!
Chip!
Nej men Hello F1!
I can get more.
Hey! Bro, it's so laggy, do you see it? Because my inventory is so full.
So anyway, guys, what's the best race?
Mine is F1, Formula 1.
I like Tour de France.
I get testicular cancer.
What?
Too much pressure on the, like, what's it called? The fucking...
Oh! Wait, so Sam's mom is gonna get pussy cancer?
Hope your house burns down and you die in a horrific blaze. Oh no.
Alex just fucking food and it takes
It smells like shit now. Oh, nice. You've made too many requests. Well, I don't know what it's worth, but it's worth quite... It's worth a bit.
Please. Please.
Oi! Oh!
L.
You missed the pink.
I did.
Fucking loser.
This was literally supposed to, according to the internet, the most profitable case to open, but so far it does not look like it.
Alas, you've been scammed.
I've been bamboozled, yeah. Now stop jerking off, Hayes.
Okay.
Oh, nej, I missed the red! And why do I have to see that on my other monitor, Sam's? Look at Alex, he's logged out! Look at Alex!
Wait, you're
That
that
was not
flexible, Sams?
No.
I am!
I want to go to sleep, but I won't go to sleep until you get something, a glove.
Until you get something, a glove.
What is happening? It's only like 11 and people are already losing speech.
I actually suspect I have cancer.
This took a dark turn.
I think I have colon cancer.
You have ass and dick cancer. Unluckiest man alive! Alex, what did you say? You nutted in a test tube?
Yeah.
Did they say
That's
your
fun.
kids are gonna be retarded?
I don't know, I'm gonna find out in 1 or 2 weeks.
Oh. If you want to answer quicker, I can taste test. Ah! Whey! Field tested.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
pretty expensive. Can someone check?
It's like 60.
Hey, okay.
I think Alex just died.
Yeah, I think Rad died as well. He said he was going to take a shit like 4 hours ago.
Why can't I die?
Worst
Why can't
Mr.
I
Beast
die?
video. Last to kill themselves win.
Who said it's bad? You die from doing it.
Oi, kiss and love.
Kind of the point.
Stat track. Hey, this is almost as rare as a knife.
It's like worn close to her face, like from the nuts.
Nuts. The nuts. The nuts. Nej men fittan!
Handskar!
Åh nej men!
Oh lord, you missed another red.
If I was you, I'd just take my life.
I found a video of a girl poking a hole in a cow testicle that's just leaking out fluid.
What the fuck? That's disgusting, Link.
Rod showing up his dinner.
Cheap.
Nej men Alex, nej för helvete man! Hey, ice cold baby!
Hit the pink, I hit my wife. Sorry.
Average UK citizen after Manchester United loses. Is your god going to bed? Oh, someone's kitchen just fell down. Bro, why am I only getting roadblocks, bro? Hello?
If only McSkillet had one of those.
Oh my god.
Hey, look now! Now we have all the skins. The recoil collection is completed.
Who
Gold
the
and
fuck
check.
cares?
Just open more cases, get this video over.
Okay, I would not mind having a pair of gloves now, actually. Because now it's been a little bit too long. This was supposed to be the best case. How is this happening?
Come on, let's get something good.
Let's get some.
Wait, look forward a little bit.
Oh, that's horrid.
That's so scary. These next 20, I'm gonna quick roll, okay? No. Quick roll run, no, number 3.
Lost count already.
No.
Please, I
10.
want to go to bed.
I quick rolled 20, I got
You got
nothing.
shit.
Wow.
Literally nothing. Nice.
Literally nothing. I guarantee you, the person who made that case ranking, he's just lying. He's put it in reverse order, because when I opened the worst case, I got the best thing I've ever opened, and now that I'm opening the best case, I've gotten nothing.
Do you know what it is? The person who made the list is a skin creator of this case.
Probably. He just wants to boost his own sales.
Yep.
Yeah, actually, I just checked this LinkedIn. It's true.
Link it in. Alex, stop drinking, for fuck's sake. I need to exchange the battery.
Don't you have work tomorrow, Alex?
Yes.
Sams is now watching the opening on his TV.
He's doing unspeakable things to the TV.
Oh, whee!
Oi, nice.
That was a roller coaster. I got sad because I missed it, but then I got it again. What the hell? Rad, I'm happy that you're back now. Do you know why? Because you're back right in time for these gloves I'm about to unbox. Quick roll. Penis.
I've had enough. Tango 3 going dark.
I don't have that many cases left now.
Have you opened over 400?
Yeah? Oh, I have a few more.
Couple more.
69. 69!
Only 17 cases.
Is it okay if I watch porn?
Who gave Alex access to fucking Romanian moonshine, bro?
I don't know. Whoever did that deserves to go to jail. What the fuck? Why are you getting more and more naked?
Guys, stop sexually assaulting me, please.
Why are you bent over like that, bro?
Like
No.
this?
Hey! Me and my Discord kitten at 4 a.m. You need to meow before you go to bed, hey. He's actually gonna sleep.
Keep opening. Let's go.
What? This isn't going well. Whoever said this was the best case, okay, that was a lie. I'm never trusting the internet again.
Whoever said this is the best case, your mother will die.
Which one of us dies first?
Sam's, he kills himself. I hope you fall forward and break your neck, Sam. Look at Alex. He has completely logged out. When Alex is drunk and nodding off, he looks like when old people die in their chairs.
Why do you know how they look like
Seen
when
an
they
awful
die in
lot
their
of it.
chair?
Because Ludde is the one who kills them.
It has to suck being like over 80 though. Because when you have sex, you die. At least the ones I did.
Oh my.
Why you fuck you, grandma?
Why you fuck you, grandma?
The fucking sand pussy hits different, bro.
Sand.
That antiquity gooch hitting different. Hey, kiss and love. Wow, this is what I tell those old ladies. I won't take no for an answer.
Oh my.
Oh my god. That Neanderthal minge.
Fuck, I'm not gonna get anything. This case is ass, bro! Statistically, I should get one rare special item, but I don't think I will, because this case is actually... This case is actually the worst. It's not the best. I'm quick rolling now. No.
Why am I alive?
There we go. This is the third time I'm changing my camera because we've been opening for so long.
And the third time you change your underwear as well.
It's because I've been too lucky now for the last few cases. Every opening I've done for the last, like, 3 months, I've gotten a knife in every single opening. I have 20 cases left now, gentlemen.
How have you done 500 already? Explain.
Because it's not been going well.
You're gonna get a knife in the last 5 cases. Or a glove, I mean.
16 left cases, and now it's 15 cases left.
Come on, let's get some hype on these last cases, surely, right?
Yeah.
not
Oh!
4 cases left 4 cases.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, is that your feet?
Look at the picture. It's like when they're doing the autopsy.
The autopsy.
The bussy.
What?
What's it called? When they're like
Autopsy.
autopsy, yeah.
Inte apa!
Last case, gentlemen. 500 cases of what is considered the best case in CSGO, which is not true. This is why you shouldn't trust spreadsheets
Big
on the
Pharma.
internet. Yeah, or Big Pharma. There we go.
Woohoo! Profit
Fuck the government.
is -600.
So we can end on, yeah, what F1 said. Fuck the government. Now we can all go to bed. Well, thank you, gentlemen, for watching. That was unfortunate. This was supposed to be the best case in CSGO, but it obviously was not. So, yeah, don't trust what you see. Which case is the best one? Just open the case you feel like, and you're gonna be lucky. Yeah, yeet.